Namaste. Welcome to Half Moon Yoga. I'm Juliana, and today I'm saying hello from my hometown, Medellin, Colombia. I feel super inspired by the weather and by the strong practice that people have here. So I'm going to be working towards Bed of Paradise today as a peak posture, and we're going to be focusing on hamstrings, shoulder openers, and a couple of twists. If you can't get to the posture fully yet, don't worry. We're just gonna work towards it. If you have really tight shoulders, I would advise or recommend to have a strap or a long towel that you can use to get closer to the posture. Great, let's begin. We're gonna begin today in Sukhasana, cross-legged. Roll the shoulders back, and we're gonna take a moment here to land onto our mats. Allow your eyes to close and just take a moment here to observe how you are today. Take a big inhale through the nose and let it out through the mouth. Again, inhale. Exhale. You're gonna keep going at your own pace. We'll bring the hands together in front of the heart. You take a moment here to set your intention for practice today. Thanks for practicing with me today. Namaste and welcome to your practice. All right, we're gonna begin today in a reclined butterfly. So we're going to lie down on our mats, bring the soles of the feet together, and we're gonna bring our arms onto a cactus shape. And just simply start to observe your body here. Observe the noises around you. Observe the temperature of the air. And the sensation of your body lying down on the mat. And remembering that the practice of yoga is an invitation to become more aware. It's not about to perform a perfect posture. It's about being and knowing that we are. There's a lot of noises around here. I hope you guys don't hear them too much. But if you do, simply embrace and accept what it is now. We're always trying to change things, imagining if things were this way or that way, they would be better. But sometimes we cannot change our environment. That would just create anxiety. So accept what it is right now. Good, and we're gonna bring the right knee to our chest, extend the left leg out. Good, and we're gonna extend the right leg to the sky. Good. Your right foot is in dorsiflexion, just flex it towards you. We're gonna try and bring that leg towards you. If this one isn't available, you can use your strap or your towel to do so. Good. Trying to bring that leg towards you. We're gonna be working on hamstrings to start with, and then we're gonna be working on opening the shoulders. Good, we're gonna be here for 3, for 2, and 1. We're gonna hold the right foot from the inside or the right leg, and we're gonna open the leg to the side. Bring your left hand onto the left hip so it doesn't lift up from the ground. Nice, we're gonna come back to center. Hug the knee to your chest, and we're gonna go on to a twist, a simple supine twist. And trying to keep your right shoulder on the floor. And I like to put my right foot behind my knee. Look towards your right fingertips. Take a couple of breaths here. Gently waking up the body for what's to come. It's gonna be a nice and strong dynamic flow. Nice, come back to center, and we're gonna extend the right leg and hug the left knee towards you. Good. Extend the leg, flex the foot, and bring the leg closer to you. Also, you might notice here that is a side of the body that usually is quite more open than the other. My left side is definitely more flexible, and my right side is stronger. So it's interesting when we pay attention in our practice, we get to know our physical body better. Awesome. Now hold the feet from the inside, open the leg towards the left, hold the right hip on the floor. And just observe how your body becomes a bit more open, slowly, slowly. If you're doing this with a strap, that's okay as well. Try not to judge your body, trying to be patient. You are exactly where you need to be. Go over here for 3, for 2, and 1. Hug the knee to your chest, and we come to a gentle supine twist. Extend the left arm towards the side. Left shoulder stays down. Breathe. Lovely. And now we come to center. Whew. Nice. Hug the knees to your chest. And we start building some momentum. Roll back and forth, and come to seat. And we make our way to a tabletop. Nice. Spread the fingers wide. And you know, all my lessons always include this posture because I think it's great to open up the spine. Inhale, look up, round up, and look towards the navel. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. And even though we practice this posture very often, almost every day, every practice, the body always feels different if you pay attention. Are the sensations you are experiencing today familiar or unfamiliar? Take 2 more. Last one. Good, and from here, puppy pose. So keep your knees aligned with your hips and walk the hands forward. And maybe bring the chest onto the floor. I can't because of my microphone, but if you guys can do it, please do so. Otherwise, you can place the forehead or the chin down. And feel how your shoulders become to open. 4 more breaths. Beautiful. And gently look forward and walk the hands towards you. Amazing. Tuck the toes. We're working a bit of flexibility of our feet as we keep opening the shoulders. So we're going to extend the right arm to the sky. Push the elbow towards the floor. I'm going to do it here so you can see me properly. Good. And we're going to try and aim to catch the right fingers with the left hand underneath. If this is impossible, you're going to use your strap or towel. Gomukhasana arms. Take a couple of breaths. Still working on flexibility of the feet and toes. If it's too uncomfortable, please come out from the posture. Otherwise, stay here. Very nice. Open the arms. And we do the other side. Extend the left hand, flex the elbow, push it down, and catch the left fingers with the right hand. Open the chest, 5 breaths. Beautiful. And we relax and tuck the toes. We're gonna take the counter posture, lift the knees, and working on flexibility here of the toes. Can be quite strong. Great. We make our way to tabletop. Walk the hands slightly forward. Tuck the toes. And we make our way to downward facing dog. Take 5 breaths here. Push the hips back. Lengthen the spine. Externally rotate the shoulders. And trying to lift the seat bones to the sky. And feel that on your hamstrings. Beautiful. Now we're going to walk the hands towards the feet in Uttanasana. Good. Come to a halfway lift. We're going to bend the right knee. Bring the right hand towards the middle and extend the left arm to the sky on a nice twist. Good, we got an option here to bring the left hand behind the lower back or even inside the leg and trying to touch the inner thigh. Rotate the chest to the sky. Good, here for 3, for 2, in 1. Nice. Bring the hand to the floor. And now we're gonna bend the left knee, extend the right leg, hand on the floor, and we're gonna extend the right arm to the sky. And stay here for 3. Right hand behind. If you did on the other side, we repeat it here. For 2. And 1 hand to the floor. Uttanasana. I obey myself completely. And from here, we're going to extend the arms to the sky. Urdhva inhale. Hands to the chest. Good. We're going to do one sun salutation. Classic one. Extend the arm to the sky. Good. Take a bit of a back bend. Forward bend, exhale. Bring the right foot behind. Place the right foot on the floor. Extend the arms to the sky. Inhale. Hands to the floor. Exhale. Tuck the right toes. Step the left foot back. High plank. Ashtanga Namaskar. Your knees, chest, chin down. Slide forward. Bhujangasana Cobra. Tuck the toes. Parsvatasana. Like downward dog, but with the feet together. And we exhale. Good. Right foot between the hands. Left knee on the floor. Extend the arms to the sky. Inhale. Hands to the floor. Good. Tuck the left toes. Step forward. Uttanasana. Arms to the sky. Inhale. And hands to the chest. Nice. And let's do the left side. Extend the arms. Inhale. Forward fold. Exhale. Left foot steps back. Place the knee on the floor. Arms to the sky. Breathe in. Hands to the floor. Step the right foot back. High plank. Ashtanga Namaskar. Exhale down. Slide to the front. Open the chest. Breathe in. Tuck the toes. Parsvatasana. Feet together. But like downward dog. Exhale. Place the left foot between the hands. Right knee on the floor. Arms to the sky. Breathe in. Hands down. Step the right foot forward. Breathe out. Arms to the sky. Inhale. Search a back bend. And hands to the floor. To the chest. Amazing. Hopefully, guys, you're feeling warm. It's nice and warm here in Medellin. And we're going to start our sequence today on tree pose. Bring the right foot towards the left inner thigh or your inner calf. Nice. This is the variation today. We're gonna extend the right arm to the sky, bend the elbow, and as we did at the start, encourage the elbow back. This is the option 1. Option 2, we're gonna aim and catch the fingers like we did at the start in Gomukhasana. It's gonna look like this. If not, you can always use a strap or stay here. Take 5 more breaths. Here we're working on building the muscles that we need for Bed of Paradise. We're working on balance, shoulder openers, strengthen the legs. Go ahead and here for 3, 2, and 1. Still balancing, open the arms. And we're gonna wrap the right leg on top of the left leg for eagle. And we're gonna place the right arm underneath the left arm, Garudasana. Good, sit low and keep the back straight. We are here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep your eagle arms. And we're gonna move here, from here to warrior 3, but keep your arms walking on shoulders. Close your hips and the right toes are looking towards the floor. 4. Activate your core. Strength on that standing leg for 3, 2, and 1. Very gently, we're gonna land on a warrior 2. And as you know, shoulders above your hips, and your front heel aligned with the arch of the back foot. Look to the front, proud warrior 2. Lengthen your neck and look towards your middle finger. 3, 2, and 1. Reverse back, inhale. Good, and we're gonna bring the right hand to the floor, extend the left arm to the sky. You lift the right heel from the floor and we are on a twist. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. From here, we transition to a side plank. So place the outer edge of your right foot on the floor, left foot on top. This is option 1. This is too much. We can drop the knee on the floor. Either of the posture, great. Nice. And whatever you are, see if you can lift the left leg up. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. High plank, downward facing dog. This is a hatha style close. This is a hatha style class. But if you feel like doing a vinyasa, feel free to do so anytime. We are here for 5 more breaths. Nice, and we're gonna walk the feet forward, 1 step at a time, tiny steps, working on hamstrings. Nice. And from here, roll the arms all the way up and hands to the heart. Beautiful. We're gonna do the other side. Left foot this time goes to your right leg for your 3 pose variation. I'm sweating. Hands to the chest. Good. Lift the left arm, bend the elbow, encourage your shoulders to open, and your right hand is gonna catch the left fingertips. Keep the chest open. And breathe. 5 more breaths. Bring the attention towards the center of your body. Keep your balance if possible. Release the arms. Good, we help the left leg to wrap around the right leg. Open the arms, left arm underneath the right. You become nice and small. and your spine is still long. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep your eagle arms. Warrior 3 with eagle arms. Hips close. Try not to collapse the chest still quite open. Think of your cobra. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. On the exhale, we land. Virabhadrasana 2, warrior 2. Look forward. Proud warrior. 3, 2, and 1. Reverse. And we go to our twist. Left hand on the floor, right arm to the sky. Nice. 3 more breaths. And we start placing the outer edge of your left foot on the floor, right foot on top, side plank, or option to place your left knee on the floor. Strong here. Option, lift the right leg up. 3, 2, and 1. High plank, downward facing dog. We're gonna take an active recovery on puppy pose again. Knees down. Align, walk the hands forward. Working on opening the chest. 5 breaths. Lovely. Let's take downward dog. Let's work a little bit on hamstring flexibility and mobility of the hips. Good. From here, feet together. Extend the right leg to the sky. Inhale. Knee to your nose. And bring the right foot between the hands. We're going to rise up to warrior 2. Nice. And from here, we're going to prepare to triangle pose. I'm going to do it here so you guys see me properly. Good. Extend the right leg. Shorten the distance between your feet. And we're going to start moving all the way forward. Move all the way forward, forward. Good. Bring the right hand on your tibia or the floor. Extend the left arm to the sky. And breathe. Nice. From here, carefully bring the left hand on the floor as you twist the right foot to face directly forward. So both of your feet are looking inwards and your heels are looking outwards. Halfway lift, Prasarita Padottanasana. Bring the hands to your legs and imagine you're gonna bring your chest all the way to your legs. Pull the elbows out, point the head down. If this one is a bit too much, you can stay here halfway lift. 5 breaths. Very nice. Good. And from here, we're gonna walk the hands towards the right leg and we're gonna bring the feet to look forward. So we're gonna enter a pyramid pose, like a long pyramid pose. Halfway lift here. And walk the hands forward a little bit. And trying to bring your belly onto your thigh. Breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Good, hands down. Step the right foot back, downward facing dog. Beautiful, and you have the option here if you feel super energetic today to do maybe a vinyasa floor. Otherwise, we take 3 more breaths here. Every time we're working on downward dog, we're still working on flexibility of our hamstrings. We're working on lengthening our back. 2 more breaths. Nice. We're going to extend this time the left leg to the sky. Take an inhale. Knee to your nose. And very softly, we're going to place the left foot between the hands. Rise up, warrior 2. Nice. And here we extend the left leg and get ready for your Trikonasana. Shorten the distance. Inhale. On the exhale, start shifting all the way to the front. Shift, shift, shift. And your arms become vertical. Look towards the sky. Making sure we're not collapsing on the left side. So even if I lift my left arm, I just don't collapse. My body's strong and my right side is working as well. Good, and from here, right arm onto the floor. I rotate my left foot inwards to enter Prasarita Padottanasana. Halfway lift. This time we're gonna interlace the hands behind for a variation C. Open the chest, inhale. And we're gonna bring the crown of the head down. Nice. Imagine that your head touches the floor. Imagine that your fingertips touch the floor as well. We're releasing tension of the shoulders here. Working hips today towards better mobility of your shoulder joint. 3 more breaths. Good, halfway lift. Hands to the floor. We turn our body towards our left leg. And we enter a long pyramid pose. Your body just goes forward, belly may be touching the thigh. And you walk the hands slightly more forward. We breathe in 3, 2, and 1. Hands to the floor. We're going to step the left foot back. Downward facing dog. All of us, high plank. Ashtanga Namaskar. Knees, chest, chin down. Cobra, inhale, shoulders back and down. And we're going to take a child's pose together. And take 3 breaths. Good, make your way downward facing dog. And again, slowly activating hamstrings, we're going to walk the feet forward. Try not to lift the hands from the ground. Obviously, when your body cannot do it anymore, you lift it, but see what you can do. Nice, halfway lift here. And we're going to catch our big toes. We're going to take Padangustasana. Open the chest, breathe in. And pull the elbows out on the exhale, trying to connect your belly with your thighs. Point the crown of your head to the floor. You feel how your hamstrings open a little bit more. They're lengthening, stretching. Oh my God, this feels so good. Good, hands down. And we roll all the way up, extend the arms. And bring the hands and energy to center. Beautiful. We're getting closer towards our peak pose, bed of paradise. Take a couple of twists, relax the arms, Kati Chakrasana. Nice. We take a couple more postures before a peak pose. We're going to take Uttita Asa Padangustasana, our big toe pose. I'm just going to face you guys. So your right knee, you're going to bring it to your chest. Take an inhale here. This is the option 1. Option 2, catch your big toe and pretend you're taking happy baby but standing up. So trying to bring your knee towards your underarm. And maybe from here you can extend your right leg. If you can't, it's okay, don't worry about it. The important thing here is to keep a nice, strong spine. You can also do this with the strap. Take an inhale, and here we're gonna open the right leg to the side. Center strong. Breathe for 3, 2, 1, come back to center. Extend the arms to the sky. Point the toes up, and we're gonna take 3 kicks. 3, 2, 1, chair pose. It's a counter pose. Bring the pelvis in, belly in, look between the hands. Hands to the heart. Lovely, and we're gonna do the other side. Left knee to your chest. Very nice. You know what to do, catch the big toes. If you fall, that's okay. It happens. Here, extend the leg if possible. Trying to bring the left shoulder joint in and open to the side. Good. Keep your drishti towards one single point. Here for 3, 2, and 1. Center. Arms to the sky. Kick. 3, 2, 1. Utkatasana. Breathe. For 3, 2, and 1. Forward fold. Good. Make your way to downward facing dog. And we take 3 breaths. Option, take your vinyasa if you feel like it. I'm going to be skipping that one today. Nice. Bring your feet together. Extend the right leg to the sky. Take an inhale. With control, right foot between your hands. Rise up for warrior 2. And from here, we'll build up towards a bed of paradise. Nice. Extended side angle. You can bring your forearm onto your leg. Extend the left arm to the sky. Option 1. Option 2, we're going to start trying to bind. If this one isn't accessible for you, use your strap or towel. And maybe stay here, building strength on your legs and on your shoulders. We're going to breathe here for a couple of rounds. If you're going towards bed of paradise, if you feel ready, we're going to take a big step with the left foot forward. Nice. Here, strength on your core muscles, big inhale. And on the exhale, lift up and rise. Good, this is the option 1. Face towards you again. If it looks like this, it's okay. See if you can bring that right shoulder back. Nice. And here, see if you can start extending the right leg. Breathe. Good. 3, 2, and 1. And gently, we're going to come back the same way. Bring the right foot on the floor. Step the left foot back, still with the bind. Hands to the floor. Very nice. Step the right foot back, downward facing dog. An option to take a vinyasa if you feel like washing all of that down. Breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Lovely. One more side, guys. Feet together. Extend the left leg to the sky. Breathe in. Step the foot between the hands. Warrior 2. This is your foundation posture. Extended side angle. And you know where to go. You can stay here. You can go down, or you can bind, or you'll use your strap. Good. From here, one clean step forward. And we lift up. Nice. Step the left shoulder back. No step. Bring it back. And from here, we see if we can extend the left leg. Trying to relax the shoulders. Relax your face. I know it's hard. We're here for 3, 2, and 1. Awesome work, everybody. Left foot down. Step the right foot back. Hands to the floor. Downward facing dog. All of us are gonna take high plank. Ashtanga Namaskar. Cobra. And traditional child's pose. Feet together, knees together, arms by the sides. And we rest. Beautiful, guys. We're gonna lift up the chest. Awesome work. Sit down. And we're gonna extend the legs forward. Awesome. Our young part, our really solar masculine part of the class is over. We're gonna do a couple of stretches in asanas before we do Shavasana. We're gonna extend the arms to the sky. Here we prepare for Paschimottanasana. As extend the arms forward. Open the chest, breathe in. Bend forward, exhale. Nice. And keep your gaze looking forward. So how your hamstrings feel today after all that stretching, all that work? It was very strong. So very, very good work here. Lift. Good. We're going to take Gomukhasana. So bend your right leg, and we're going to bring the right leg over the left leg. Now bend the knee. So we are here. And we're going to go forward and align the knees. It's going to look like this. Sit down. Bring the leg, your feet towards the sides. So for example, you can see here my knees are not aligned. It's because of the shape of my hips. Usually I need to sit up on a block. I don't have one handy right now, but if you have one, if you feel like sitting on a block, please do so. And we're gonna lift the right arm, bend the elbow, and we're gonna repeat Gomukhasana. This is the full shape of Gomukhasana, our calf face posture. Breathe in here. Keep the length of your back as you bend forward. Nice. And we're gonna change. Good. Extend the right leg. Bring the left leg over. Bend the right knee. We are with this shape. And now we align the knees by coming forward. Sit down. Extend the left arm to the sky. Bend the elbow. Keep your neck long. And aim to catch your left fingers. Open the chest, breathe in. And bend forward, exhale. Lovely. Come back up. Release. Dandasana, staff pose. And from here, extend your arms, and we're going to come to lie down on our mat. We're going to go again into our Supta Baddha Konasana, our butterfly shape. But this time you're gonna bring your right hand on your lower abdomen and your left hand on your chest. And take a moment here to observe how you are breathing right now. Scan your body all the way from the head down. Notice any areas of pain or discomfort. Or maybe notice any areas of your body that feel a little bit more open and released after that strong sequence today. Good, bring the hands to your knees, start to close the legs. Hug the right knee to your chest, extend the left leg out, and we take a supine twist, like the one we did at the start. Remember that your right shoulder stays on the floor. Notice here if you can see any difference between this second time practicing this twist and the first time you practice it. And it's okay if you don't see any difference. No expectations. We just want to build observation, awareness of what's happening inside of us, creating a relationship with ourselves. Back to center. Extend the right leg out. Left knee to your chest, breathe in. And take your supine twist. Beautiful. Come back to middle. You're more than welcome to take any other posture if your body feels like it, if you want to take happy baby or apanasana. Nice, and we're just gonna go straight into shavasana. This video we're gonna take around 2 minutes. If you have more time at home, feel free to do so to stay longer in your shavasana. Open your legs, palms of your hands face upwards towards the sky. Find symmetry into the shape of your body. Allow your body to be heavy and really give yourself these few minutes to just be. You deserve this moment. Take a big inhale and exhale. Shavasana. Very gently start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Give yourself a bigger stretch as if you had just woken up. Draw your knees into your chest. And however you like to get there, sit down nice and gently. Eyes closed. And we finish our class in Sukhasana. after practicing the asanas, it's a moment where it's quite easier to connect with ourselves. It's easier to experience union. Take a couple of breaths here. Notice how you feel. Hands together in front of the chest. Reconnecting with the intention you set at the start of the practice. We chant an Om together, breathing. Namaste. I'm quite not in line. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I enjoyed this practice a lot today. Thank you so much if you have been coming to my channel. Even though it's new, it's been really special for me to have a couple of comments from you, to see that my classes are being watched by you, that have been useful. So thank you so much. And as usual, if you have any ideas, any comments, please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. And I will see you next time. Namaste.